In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted records and restore lost data in Airtable, using 4 proven methods that range from a simple undo to restoring an entire historical snapshot. Airtable is incredibly powerful for organizing projects, inventory, or client information, but one wrong click can make critical data vanish in an instant. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. We'll begin with the most common scenario, where you've deleted a record within the last few days. When you delete a record in Airtable, it doesn't disappear forever right away. Instead, it gets moved to the base trash bin, where it stays for 7 days. This gives you a nice safety net. To get started, open the specific base where you think the records were removed. Then, look up to the top right corner of the screen, right next to the Share button. You'll see a clock icon, which is the base history button. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Trash. Inside the Trash folder, you'll see a list of all recently deleted records. Take your time to locate the ones you need, and then simply click the Restore button next to each record. That record will immediately pop back into its original table and view, exactly where it was before it was deleted. A quick tip here: if you're dealing with a large deletion, you can restore multiple records at once by selecting them with the checkboxes. Just be aware that if it has been more than 7 days since the deletion, the trash folder will be empty, and you'll need to move on to our next method. Now, what if the data was deleted more than a week ago? Or maybe you need to recover the entire state of your database from a specific moment in time. That's where snapshots come in. Airtable automatically saves historical snapshots of your base, essentially taking a full picture of everything at regular intervals. Think of a snapshot as a time machine for your entire base. To use it, go back to that same base history clock icon in the top right corner. This time, instead of clicking Trash, click Snapshots. You'll be presented with a chronological list of past versions, each with a date and timestamp. Browse through and find the snapshot that matches when your data was intact. The key here is not to click Restore directly on the snapshot, because that would overwrite your current base. Instead, click the option that says Create a new base from this snapshot. This will generate a completely separate, recoverable base containing all the data from that point in time. You can then browse that new base, copy the records you need, and bring them back into your active base. This is a lifesaver if you accidentally deleted a large table, or if a script or automation wiped out a significant amount of data. Sometimes you catch the mistake in the very moment it happens. If you just deleted a record and your finger is still hovering over the mouse, you have a split-second option for an immediate undo. On a Mac, press Command+Z, and on Windows, press Control+Z. This keyboard shortcut reverts your most recent action, which should instantly bring that deleted record back. Another way to handle this is to watch for the small notification bubble that appears at the bottom of your screen after a deletion. It usually says something like, Record Move to Trash, and includes an undo button. Click that button quickly, and you're good. The window for this is very short, usually just a few seconds, so you have to act fast. I recommend making Command+Z or Control+Z a reflex in Airtable. It works for more than just deletions. It can undo accidental edits, formatting changes, and even field renames. Consider it your emergency brake. Finally, let's talk about the trickiest situation. When records appear to be missing but are actually still in the base, just hidden from view. This is incredibly common, especially if you're working in a shared base where other people might have added filters or modified views. If you open a table and see a fraction of the records you expect, don't panic. First, look at the top of the current view. You might see filter chips, grouped headers, or sort indicators. Remove all active filters by clicking the filter icon and clearing any conditions. Also, remove any groupings and sorts. To see every single record without any conditions applied, switch to a default grid view. If you don't have a default grid view, create a new one. Once you're in a clean, unfiltered view, use the search function in the top right corner of the interface, or press Command+F on a Mac or Control+F on Windows. Type in text from a record you know should be there, or even a record ID if you have it. If that record appears, you've confirmed it was just hidden by a filter. This method is also perfect for finding orphaned records that might have been linked to a deleted parent record but weren't removed themselves. A best practice here is to always name your views clearly, like All Records or Filtered by Status, so you and your team know exactly what you're looking at. You have now successfully learned 4 powerful ways to recover deleted records and lost data in Airtable. Whether it's using the trash for recent deletions, restoring a full snapshot for older data, hitting that quick undo, or simply checking for hidden filters, you have the tools to protect your hard work. Going forward, I recommend setting a weekly reminder to review your Airtable backups or even creating a snapshot manually before major changes. If you revisit these steps whenever you need them, you'll save yourself hours of frustration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.